Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, today we are going to find out the addition, subtraction and multiplication of octal number system. Students, as you know that in octal number system the base is 8 and the digits which are used in octal number system are from 0 to 7. Students, when we find out the addition of two octal numbers, then if the sum is greater than 8, we will write the remainder under the number and we will give quotient as carry to the next digit. Now student, let's move towards the example of addition of octal number system. Students, here is our example that we have to find out the sum of these two numbers. Firstly, we will write the first number as it is and then we will write the second number starting from right towards left. Now, when we add 6 plus 6, we got 12, but we cannot write 12, so we will divide it. This is our quotient 1 and 4 is our remainder. So we will write 4 remainder here and 1 quotient carry to the next column. Then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, we got 11. We cannot write 11, so we will divide it with 8. 8 ones are 8 and 3 is remainder. So we will write here 3 and 1 carry to the next column. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. We cannot write 12, so we will divide it. After that division, 4 is our remainder and 1 is our quotient. So we will write 4 here and 1 carry to the next column. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. We will divide it. After the division, we got 1 quotient and 1 remainder. So we will write 1 remainder here and 1 quotient. Give carry to the next column. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. We cannot write 10, so we will divide it here. After the division, 1 is our quotient and 2 is our remainder. So we will write here our remainder and 1 quotient to the carry next column. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, we will write 4 as it is because 4 is the digit of octal number system. So after finding their sum, the answer is 4, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4 with base 8. Now students, here is the example of subtraction. Here is our number and we have to find out the subtraction of these two numbers. First we will write our first number, then our second number. We have to subtract 4 from 2, but as you can see that we cannot subtract it, so we will get carry from the last column. When we carry, the carry is equal to our base, so 8 is our carry plus here 2 will add into it, we got 10. Now we will subtract 4 from 10, the answer is 6. Here we will write 6. Now here is left 1. We cannot subtract 3 from 1, so we carry from the last column. Here is our carry 8 plus 1. 1 is this number. Then 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And 9 minus 3 we got 6. We will write here as it is. Now here remainder 0. So we will take carry from the last column. As you can see that there is no digit. So when we subtract 6 from 8 we got 2. Here left we 4. We carry from the last column. 8 plus 4, 12. We subtract 6 from 12, we got 6. Now here we have left 4. When we subtract 1 from 4, we got 3. And when we subtract 2 from 4, we got 2. So after the subtraction, our answer is 236, 266 with base 8. Now students, let's move towards the example of multiplication. Here is our multiplication question. When we multiply 3 into 6, we got 18. We cannot write it, we will divide it. 2 is our quotient and 2 is our remainder. So we will write here 2 remainder and 2 quotient to the next column. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. We cannot write 11, so we will divide it. After that division, we got 1 quotient and 3 remainder. So we will write 3 remainder first, then our remainder. Then we will put 0. Next we will multiply 4 with 6. We got 24. We cannot write it, so we will divide it. 8 3 is 24 and 0 is a remainder. So we will write here 0 as remainder and 3 carry to the next column. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. We cannot write it, so we will divide it. 8 ones are 8 and 7 is remainder. So we will write 7 first and then 1. Now we have to add both values. 2 plus 0 we got 2, 3 plus 0 we got 3, 1 plus 7 we got 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. here is a remainder 0 and here is our quotient, so we will write here a remainder 0 and quotient, give carry to the next column. Then 1 plus 1 2, and the product of 3 6 with base 8 into 4 3 with base 8 is equal to 2 0 3 2 with base 8. Now students, let's move toward the exercise questions. Now students, here is our exercise number 3.2, question number 1. Today we will solve the addition, subtraction and multiplication of octal base system. So we will solve the related questions from the exercise. Here is our question number 11. We have to find out their sum. Our number is 5631 with base 8 plus 2456 with base 8. Now we have to add both values. We will write our first number as it is and we will write second number starting from right towards left. Now when we add 1 plus 6 we got 7. We will write 7 as it is because 7 is a digit of octal number system. Now when we add 3 plus 5 we got 8. We cannot write 8 as it is, so we will divide it. After the division, 1 is our quotient and 0 is our remainder, so we will remainder here and 1 quotient to the next column. Then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 11. We cannot write 11, so we will divide it. 1 is our quotient and 3 is our remainder. We will write here remainder and our quotient carry to the next column. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. 0 is our remainder and 1 is our quotient, so we will write 0 first and then 1, and after the sum of both octal number values we got answer 10307 with base 8. Now students, let's move towards the question number 12 of our exercise number 3.2. Now students, here we have two numbers and we have to subtract them. First we have 7541 with base 8 minus 5675 with base 8. First we will write our first number, then we will write second number from right towards left. We cannot subtract 5 from 1, so we will take carry from the last column, and carry is equal to our base. So here is our carry 8 plus 1, this he is here, 8 plus 1 9, and we will subtract 5 from 9, we got 4. Now here we left 3, we cannot subtract 7 from 3, so we'll get carry from the last column. 8 is our carry and 3 is our number. 8 plus 3 11, and when we subtract 7 from 11 we got 4. Here we left 4, we cannot subtract 6 from 4, so we will take carry from the last column. 8 is carry and 4 is our number. 8 plus 4 we got 12. Now when we subtract 6 from 12 we got 6. Here we left 6. When we subtract 5 from 6 we got 1. So our answer is 1644 with base 8. Now students, here is our question number 13. We have to find out the product of these two octal number system numbers. First we have 4 6 7 2 with base 8 into 507 with base 8. Here is our question with the working. When we multiply 7 into 2 we got 14. We cannot write 14, so we will divide it. 1 is our quotient and 6 is our remainder, so we will write remainder here and 1 quotient to the next column. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 150. We will divide it with 8. After the division we got 6 as quotient and 2 as remainder, so we will write here 2 and 6 carry to the next column. 7 6 42, 42 plus 6 we got 48. We will divide it. After the division we got 6 as quotient and 0 as remainder, so we will write 0 here and 6 carry to the next column. 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 34. We cannot write 34, so we will divide it here. When we divide, 4 is our quotient and 2 is our remainder, so we will write first remainder then our quotient. Next digit is 0, so we will write firstly a 0 here, then we will write 4 zeros as it is. Now let's move towards our next number, which is 5. We will firstly write 2 zeros here, then 5 2s are 10. We cannot write 10, so we will divide it. 1 is our quotient and 2 is our remainder, so we will write remainder here and give quotient to the next column. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1 36. We will divide it. 4 is our quotient and 4 is our remainder, so we will write here 4 and 4 carry to the next column. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34. When we divide we got 4 as quotient and 2 as remainder. We will write here 2 remainder and 4 carry to the next column. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 we got 24. When we divide it, we got 3 as quotient and 0 as remainder, so we will write 0 first and then our quotient. Now we will add the values. 6 will write as it is because 6 is the digit of octal number system. 2 will write as it is. Again 2 will write as it is. 2 plus 4 we got 6. 4 plus 2 we got 6. 0 will write as it is, and 3 will write as it is. So the product of these two octal number systems numbers are 3066226 with base 8. I hope students to understand all this question very well. Take care.